This is just an unboxing of a Lenovo T14s Gen 6. That's part of the power adapter. So just a 65-watt USB-C adapter. Some papers in there. Okay, let me have a look inside. So this is what the Snapdragon model is supposed to have, some crazy battery life. It doesn't actually feel as thin as I would have thought it felt. The top part is actually decently thick. I don't know if it's because I got a touchscreen model or not, but anyways. We'll go over the ports. This is the Kensington lock slot here, two full-size USB here. One of them is the always-on one to charge a external device when it's plugged in. On the front there's nothing, just that bump out there. And there's just the combo audio, full-size HDMI, and two USB-C here. With a little LED indicator in the middle. Nothing on the back. On the bottom there's just the one reset hole right there. Take a look in here again. So everything kind of normal. The swapped keys, the co-pilot button, really the only newish things. And the fingerprint readers on the power button there. And then just the dual mics and webcam, the privacy switch at the top. And that is it.